In this video, I'll show you what to do in case the brightness of the picture that your PS5 displays on your screen is too low. It's very dim and you have trouble seeing. This could happen for many reasons. I'll show you a few different tricks on how to solve this. So the first one that you need to try, it takes less than 20 seconds, is to go on the settings. Okay, go settings. And then from here, we need to go down, select screen and video. Select the first option, video output, go down. Okay, and where you see color HDR, mine is turned off, but maybe yours was turned on. If yours was on, turn it off and then turn it on again. Okay, this will just do a small restart of this HDR kind of thing, and many people on Reddit said that it really helped them by turning it off and on again. If you're still having issues, I suggest you go back, and now you're going to select screen in this menu, and where you see dim screen while inactive, press here and select don't dim. Even if you're not inactive, sometimes your PS5 does not compute that you're actually using it and it will just stay dim. By selecting this option, it could also fix your problem. Now, if your screen is still dim, it's still the brightness is still too low, go back, and in the settings we need to go and select accessibility. Then from here, select display and sound should be the first option. Color correction. From here, you need to enable color filter, and under color filter down below, select, instead of grayscale, select green and red, and make sure that this bar, you see intensity bar, well, make sure you put it all the way towards the right side, the maximum. Then go back and try your game and see if this solved your problem. And before making this video, also search on Reddit to see what other people had success with. And I'll put a trick right now. I'll put the screenshot. I don't want to steal his idea. What worked for that guy? So it was to turn off the HDR in the settings the way we just did. Then go back of the settings menu, go in the game, and usually some games will let you adjust the contrast and other stuff about the screen. Adjust those, go back in the settings and turn on HDR afterwards when you see that your screen got brighter. Anyway, thanks for watching. I really hope one of these solutions worked for you. If you have another one, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.